This is the Bulldog 3D. Today we've got a few toys that we printed out. We have the Flexi Shark. Every piece is articulated. It's print in place. Prints out pretty fast. There we have two of them. All print in place, all flexible, and all articulating. Fins at the bottom articulate. And secondly, today we have the articulating dragon skeleton. Again, all print in place, all parts move. It's come out pretty neatly. Small bit of stringing, like occasional places. Some of that stringing can easily be removed. All those little pieces are pretty much removed now. These are all printed in orange PLA, and links will be in the description below. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Looking at Gridfinity, we've printed out this Gridfinity case. It's a 5x5 case. It has a lock on there that you can open. And as you open it up, you can print out various bins as you need. So we have a 1x1, a 1x4, and then these are 1x8. Each regular bin has been split in two for small parts. And so it's hinged. We print out the hinges, and there's locks, and we print out the locks. Here's one with just the bins in there. So take out the bins. As you print, this is how the base prints. You do get some supports, some tree supports on here, just for these notches and these notches over here. These will print out, and these are the hinges. So take these off the brim, open and close the hinge. So on this one, close the hinge, and then on the lid, that's how the lid prints out. This is the upside, that's the inside, so top and bottom. Grooves here and here for the hinges. Slide in there, this slide in here, and then on this side, again, two hinges, then clip into there, two locks. I've got a little brim on them, or a tree support, a very tiny tree support. So when the case is open, these will just slide in here, slide in here. So when you close, pull this up. The first few times this will be a little stiffer because you've just printed, but now fully locked. And then we can put all of our bins in here. Close it up. And lock. These can then be stacked. There's cutouts to allow them to be stacked. These are all printed on the bambulab P1S. This is the largest size that you can print on there. You can print deeper, so you can make them double the depth if you need to. Thank you for watching. See you all next time.